All right, good morning, chat, YouTube, whatever. Today is a very special day. Today happens to be my birthday. And this video is going to be maybe just a little bit different than what I'm used to making. It's going to be a little bit more of a vlog. Honestly, I have no idea. So I turned 28 today. Right now, I'm my hair looks so bad, but it's fine because I'm just going to the gym. I don't have anything crazy planned today. Usually I would, but over the last couple of years, it's just been I've been stuck on like the grind set mindset. I need to do this, I need to do that. I'm gonna go hoop right now. I would lift, maybe we will, I don't know. My main goal is to kind of just have fun. That's what birthdays are for, right? So I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me on that fun little journey. I'll be back, my dog, okay? Bye-bye.
Not that long after I got to the gym, I ran into one of my good friends. And I said, hey, since it's my birthday, why don't you help me run with a little bit training, a little bit practice, and then let's run some ones. The ball has that La Seraphim logo, that Stray Kids logo, man. I'll make it look easy. I ain't missing. And then we ran some ones, and obviously, man, the boy just can't end on a loss. Now that we got the ball session out of the way, time to go lift. Let's go to the gym.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
And in case you guys didn't know, back in December, I did a little challenge, training to look like a K-pop idol, where basically I wanted to do everything that I could to kind of just go through like a K-pop training / what Bangchan does, right? Like his workout routines, and see how far I could go and get a very similar build. So I've been taking my training very seriously in terms of that. In terms of my diet, I've been eating a lot cleaner. I think that was like the biggest change that I had, is kind of cutting back on things that just aren't healthy, being conscious of what I put into my body, what fuels my body. I'm not 21 anymore, man. For me to train hard every single day and just try to stay into peak form, try to get that Bangchan build, which is like that Dorito shape. I'm very serious about this training, and I said that I would keep it up, and here's proof that I am, man. I've been really enjoying the process of just working out, getting stronger, and just seeing like the muscles develop. It's been good.
So right now we're gonna be recording some fashion content for YouTube, and I find it very interesting because if you would have asked me 2 years ago, or when I was in college, if I was going to be posting fashion type content, I'd tell you you'd be crazy. But I'm really glad that you guys have kind of taken a liking to that type of content. The only main issue I have is that my wardrobe isn't the biggest, man. Like my outfit inspirations, or whatever you want to, like my actual wardrobe has gone through a massive change over like the last year and a half. So I really don't have that much clothing that fits the new style that I'm trying to go for, or even to do these Stray Kid fashion inspiration, whatever you want to call them. So there's like a lot of things that I really wish I could like update my wardrobe, but that'll happen with time. All right, so we just finished the fashion part of it. Right now, the goal is to kind of just do it based on either a music video or an album. We've done Do It. We've done Felix's Chick Chick Boom One Fashion Week. Right now, we're doing Felix again. But this time, like a couple of Felix inspired outfits. And it's hard. Like I said, if I had more clothing, it could be easier, but that's the thing, man. Like, I'm so glad that it's called inspired, because if it's like one-on-one, I can't do that, bro. It still feels weird to me, man, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm glad. It honestly makes me happy that it gets so well received. So I'm gonna change out of this because it's hot, like I said, and I'll be right back. All right, chat, we're back, and we've been kind of busy. So I really haven't been able to vlog as much as I wanted to, but that's okay, because you know what? Honestly, I'm just making content. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a surprise, because why not? Because by the time this video comes out, odds are I'll probably finish the other project. But wait, can you see it? Oh. We are working on a Felix inspired design. In case you guys didn't know, Last year around September when LE SSERAFIM was doing their US tour, I ended up making a Otaku Bestie t-shirt from Sakura because she's my old bias. And I'm like, you know what? Let's make another design. So right now we're working on a Felix inspired design. Stray Kids has been kind of like a huge inspiration in my life over like the last few, like, I want to say like year, right? Like it's been a minute. Last year was my Stray Kids year. I'm not gonna lie, man. I've been listening to them a lot. #1 artist on my Spotify list, songs too, and it was a really big inspiration and just influence in my life last year. And this year, odds are it's gonna continue. So we're working on a Felix inspired shirt, and I need to get this design done within the next, probably today, tomorrow, and then we can go get the shirt printed. We bought the shirt already. That's gonna be good to go. And I have a new basketball, man, and I'm really excited to decorate it a little bit because last time I'm replacing this one. They probably look the same to you, but this one's starting to get a little bit lumpy, and I've just had it for like 2-ish years now. This one has the has my logo on it, has LE SSERAFIM logo, and Stray Kids. So every single time I'm hooping, I'm always repping the things that inspired me the most at the moment. So we're gonna be decorating the new ball too, because why not? Because it's been a lot, man. It's been a lot. Right now I'm working on drawing the accessories. I need to add like jewelry, earrings, the embroidery to the shirts and clothing and stuff. And I think overall it's looking pretty good. I'm kind of happy. We'll see as it progresses. All right, chat. So it's been a minute. Just a couple things. I should have gotten a haircut, but we're almost done with the drawing. I just want to show you guys what it looks like so far. So I'm aiming to finish this tonight to then go get it printed. Hopefully tomorrow, probably pick it up sometime Monday, Tuesday. And I at least want to show you guys this. So, because once I get this done, we're on to the promo shots, because man, I love the design. So we're gonna speed through, we're gonna get this done, and yeah. All right, chat. So it's been a couple days. Got a haircut this morning. I'm looking fresh, but I want to show you guys what this shirt looks like because I just got it back. So give me 1 sec. All right, chat, ready? Look at this. Dun dun. Bro, I'm happy with the way the shirt came out. I'm getting better at it. I'm getting really good at designing shirts. But it says Dominate. It matches really well with a certain pair of headphones that I painted. And odds are I'm gonna put it onto my site. So if you guys wanna buy it, you guys can. But honestly, man, I just make shit that I enjoy making. I have my Otaku Bestie shirt. Now I have this one. Personally, I'm a big fan of like sleeveless hoodies. Take like, you know what I'm saying? Like that type of shirt. And this one specifically, I'm gonna be rocking it all the damn time. I have another shirt that I made that just says Browlix on it when I go to the gym and stuff. But like I said, those are my favorite type of shirts, but it will be available as a t-shirt. Let me know if you want it as a sweater, because I can also upload it as a sweater. I just have to shoot some promo stuff for it. Bro, my hair looks interesting. I'm not against it though. Let me know. What do you think about my haircut too? I'm really trying to just ramp up my business, ramp up what I'm doing. Because you know what? If you want, we can talk about it right now. All right, so this is what the shirt looks like while it's on. Like I said, I like it, man. Just a little quick life update. Because like I said, man, I'm just really focusing up on ramping up my business side of things. So much has happened, so much has changed over the last year. And, you know, I'm finally able to do stuff, for lack of better words. I don't really want to go down into too many details. When I made the video last year, I've been helping creators for the last 5 years try to work on my own stuff, right? I did not expect how last year went down. It was a lot, like I said, there was a lot of ups and downs, like a lot. Like reflecting back to the last year, because it's kind of been a year since I uploaded that video, and so many things have changed. So many things have not gone as expected. I don't know how much I can say, man, because like at the end of the day, man, like none of this matters. I just gotta, you know, keep grinding. I've always had that grind mentality. There'll be times where I don't know what I'm doing, but I just gotta keep moving forward. Like that's the mindset I have. I work hard, man. Like at the end of the day, I like straight up, I work hard. I low-key wish that my efforts would be noticed a little bit more, if I'm being honest. But that's not on anybody else but me. We just gotta keep working hard, man, and let people know what I do. And I'm very passionate about what I do, what I'm able to do, the people I've been able to help out in this new journey that I'm on. It has been fun and interesting. There's a lot of shit like I did not expect for me to go through, but it's part of life. After turning 28, I'm getting older. I should, from an athlete's perspective, I'm in my prime, right? These are my peak years to be able to accomplish like great tasks. It's like when Kobe won MVP. Gojo, when he was introduced to Kaizen, he was 28. So for me, the way I see it now is like, this is like my peak years, right? 28, 27, 28, 29. Once you hit 30, maybe things change, but right now, like I'm just really dedicated to grinding. So for anybody who's watching this, I appreciate the hell out of y'all. I've said that before, but yeah, man, like I said, I'm happy with this, happy with the design. I'm gonna be making more shirts in the future, because like it's kind of like those small passion projects that I look forward to in life, being able to create stuff. This shirt specifically, man, like looking at the design I made, my very first shirt design, comparing it to this, like the evolution has been crazy for me to reflect back on. If you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make another design that's heavily inspired by another K-pop idol. I have an idea for another one. We'll see when I have time to do it, because we still have another project that we're trying to work on, which involves 3D modeling. Appreciate you guys. Look forward to the next video. Sorry that I didn't post in the month of March. I just been slightly busy, very busy. So see you guys next time. Peace.